Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving fourth problem in exercise 2.1. Let me read the question. When the positive integers are integers a, b and c are divided by 13, the respective remainders are 9, 7 and 10 show that a plus b plus c is divisible by 13. Here the question is, when the positive integers a, b and c, positive integers are given here, a, b, c. Okay, these are all specific numbers which is represented by three variables, that is a, b, c. Okay, we can say this is the positive integers. Divided by 13. What is divided by 13? Divided by 13 means divisor. Okay, here the divisor is 13. The respective remainders are 9, 7 and 10. Respective remainders means 9 would be the remainder for A, 7 would be the remainder for B, 10 would be the remainder for C. Show that A plus B plus C is divisible by 13. What is divisible? Divisible by 13 means it can be divided by 13 without leaving the remainder. In this case, remainder would be 0. So, that is, which means divisible by 13. Okay, here we don't know what is A, what is B, what is C. Then only we can find out A plus B plus C. Here what we need to find out? We need to show that A plus B plus C is divisible by 13. So we have to find out A, what is the value of A, what is the value of B and C, and finally you have to add three of them, A plus B plus C. And we need to show that A plus B plus C is divisible by 13. Okay, here we are going to use Euclid's division lemma. I have discussed about this Euclid's division lemma concept in my class. If you haven't watched that, go and check it out so that you can understand this problem easily. The video link is in the description below. Do check it out. So, we are going to find out A value, B value, C value using Euclid's division lemma. Here, what is Euclid's division lemma? A equals BQ plus R. What is A here? Dividend. B means divisor. Q means quotient. R means remainder. Okay, in this formula we are going to apply all the values which are given in the question. After that we are going to prove this A plus B plus C is divisible by 13. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the given information. What is given in the question? Positive integers A, B, C and reminders 9, 7, 10. 9 is for A, 7 is for B, 10 is for C and divisor 13. And we need to find out first A plus B plus C and then we need to show that the value A plus B plus C is divisible by 13. Okay, now we need to apply Euclid's division lemma formula. What is Euclid's division lemma formula? Formula is A equals BQ plus R. Alright, this is a common formula. A represents dividend, B represents divisor, Q represents quotient and R represents remainder. Okay, here remainder is given and divisor is given. Okay, and A plus B plus C, that is the positive integers which are given. we can take this positive integers as dividends. Okay, I'm going to apply. I'm going to consider first A. Okay, we should find out A first, then B, then C. No, now I'm going to consider this A, not this A, this A. In this formula, I have to apply the values. What is B here? 13. Q, we don't know, that is not given. So, we can write Q plus, what is R? 9 for A, right? So, I am taking 9. Okay. We can take this as equation number 1. This is the value of A. Okay. Next, I need to find out B. If I am taking B, what should be the divisor? Divisor is common for all. I mean A, B, C. Divisor is common for A, B and C. So I am taking 13Q plus remainder. What is remainder? 7. Right? 7. So I am taking this equation as number 2. And now I found A, B. Now we need to find out C. I am taking C. C equals, here, what is B? B is 13. Q is, we don't know. So, R value is 10. Right? I am taking this equation as number 3. Now, I know that what is A, what is B, what is C. Okay? We know how to find out A plus B plus C. That is the main goal, right? The question is, show that A plus B plus C is divisible by 13. So that we have to know the value of A plus B plus C. We have found some values. So now we are going to find out A plus B plus C. So for that, I have to add all these equations, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 becomes A plus B plus C, right? Here 13Q plus 9, 13Q plus 9, then 13Q plus 7, 13Q plus 7, then 13Q plus 10, 13Q plus 10. So, I can add all the Q terms. This 13Q and this 13Q and this 13Q. 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 13, 39. So, I can write 39Q plus 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 10, 26. Right? In this two terms, what would be the common number? If you are taking 13, 1 into 13, 13, 2 into 13, 26, 3 into 13, 39. So here 13 is common in both term, right? Here 39K is there. So 3 into 13. I am taking 13 outside. So 3 would be coming inside. So 3Q plus 26. 2 into 13 equals 26. So I am taking 13 outside. 2 would be inside, right? 13 into 3, 39Q. 13 into 2, 26. Right? So, this is the value of A plus B plus C. We found the value of A plus B plus C, and now what we have to do? We have to check whether it is divisible by 13 or not. Divisible by 13 means it can be divided by 13 without leaving the remainder. That means if I am dividing this value by 13, it can be divided easily without leaving the remainder, right? So in this case, remainder is 0. So how we can write the answer? Hence, it is proved that a plus b plus c is divisible by 13. A plus b plus c is divisible by 13. Alright, this is the answer. How we can write the answer? Hence, it is proved that a plus b plus c is divisible by 13. This is the answer for fourth problem in exercise 2.1. This solution is very simple. We should know the concept of Euclid's division lemma. In my previous classes, I have discussed about that. If you check out that video, you can understand this problem easily. So we are taking that concept, that is Euclid's division lemma. In that formula, we will be applying all the values what is given in the question. And we have to be very careful with the question, what is given in the question, what we need to prove. So here, positive integers are given, remainders are given, and divisor also given, that is common for all. And we should apply all the values in Euclid's division lemma. And if after applying everything, I'll be getting the equations. And we need to add all the equations together. Then we'll be getting particular answer. And we need to check whether that particular answer is divisible by 13 or not. If it is yes, we can write the answer as hence it is proved that a plus b plus c is divisible by 13. That is all about this solution. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.